Welcome friends, I am Praveen Thakre, the director of Spirit Academy, and thank you very much for clicking on this video. Friends, today we are going to learn about articles A and the. Friends, these articles which we have to use in our sentences, these are little bit simple, little bit difficult and little bit confusing too. Friends, there are so many rules also. However, I am going to help you to understand so that you can use these articles in your English sentences. Friends, आज हम आर्टिकल्स के बारे में जानेंगे. आर्टिकल्स का प्रयोग इंग्लिश के सेंटेंस में किस तरीके से किया जाता है, सही तरीके से, उसे हम देखने वाले हैं. इसके लिए हम एक एक्सरसाइज यहां पर देखने वाले हैं, जिसके थ्रू हम जानेंगे आर्टिकल्स का सही तरीके से इंग्लिश में प्रयोग कैसे करें. फ्रेंड्स, आर्टिकल्स दो प्रकार के होते हैं, डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स एंड इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स. तो ए एंड ये इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स है और द ये डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स है. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं एक्सरसाइज करते करते आर्टिकल्स को समझना. फ्रेंड्स, यहां पर पहला सेंटेंस है, देयर इज स्पेस ऑन द ग्राउंड. फ्रेंड्स, हियर आई हैव create one space. You have to fill the blank with articles, with proper articles. The next sentence is, I will stay here for week. There is again space here. Next sentence is, space, apple a day keeps the doctor away. The next sentence is, he is space engineer. The next is, you must help space poor man. The next sentence is, Chaitanya is honest man. There is again space here. The next sentence is, that is space boy who was on the ground. The next sentence is, we have space union in our company. There is again space, right? The ninth number sentence is, he is space university professor. Number 10, my uncle is space MLA. And the last one, where are space boys. Friends, you have to fill the blanks with proper articles, and I hope in your mind you must have filled this. Let us begin and understand how to use articles in our English sentences. The first sentence is, there is boy on the ground. We have to put a here. Friends, a will be the right article here we have to use, right? There is a boy on the ground. We are using a because there is a boy. It's a general boy. We are not speaking about any specific boy. And the noun, the boy, is a singular noun. Hence, we have to use a. And it is not specific. That's why we have to use a here. The next sentence is, I will stay here for, again, we have to use a here. I will stay here for a week. We are speaking about general week, right? The next sentence is, we have to use here an. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It means when we are using an, there must be the noun which first letter is vowel. The noun, जो noun हम लोग यहां पर यूज कर रहे हैं, कॉमन नाउन, उसका पहला लेटर ए ई आई ओ यू, ये जो वोवेल्स है, इसमें से किसी एक लेटर से शुरू होता है. इसके लिए हम यहां पर एन यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट? एंड यू मस्ट हैव नोन अबाउट वोवेल्स. देयर आर 5 वोवेल्स इन इंग्लिश. व्हिच आर दीज? ए ई आई ओ यू. These are the 5 vowels and remaining are consonants, right? The next sentence is, he is, again there is vowel. He is an engineer. He is an engineer. This is the right article we have to use here. The next sentence is, you must help. Here we have to use the. You must help the poor man, because we are speaking about any specific person, poor man. So we have to use the here. The next sentence is, Chaitanya is. Here we have to use and. See, here is honest is the noun, but there is H and we are using N. Why? Because friends, even though there is H, the pronunciation of this noun is honest, not honest. H is silent here. H is silent. That's why we have to use and. Keep in mind one thing, that friend, when we are using and, we have to use and before the vowel sound, not only before the vowel letter. We have to use it before vowel sound, not vowel letter. Vowel sound is very important, and here there is a sound, honest, right? The next is, that is, now we have to use the, because we are speaking about any specific boy who was on the ground. So the, here we have to use the, that is the boy who was on the ground. The next sentence is, we have. Here, even though there is a U, there is vowel letter, but it doesn't sound vowel, right? So we have to use A. It sounds U. We have a union in our company, right? The same pattern is repeated here. He is a university professor. The next sentence is, my uncle is, now we have to use an. My uncle is an MLA, because MLA sounds vowel. MLA sounds, right? The next is, where are, now we have to use the. Where are the boys? Because we are speaking about some boys, some specific boys. And one thing is also there, the can be used for plural as well as singular nouns, right?